Hello and welcome on the short review on the Runcam Split V2. The camera costs around €65. It is a FPV cam with a FOV of 130 degrees. In parallel you can make 1080p videos at 60 frames per second max. The Runcam also records audio. You can switch between PAL and NTSC. A fast MicroSC card, at least class 6, up to 64 GB is required. It can be powered between 5 volts up to 17 volts. It requires 650 mA of energy, so you make sure you have a PDB that supports that current when using a 5 volt source. The Runcam has a Wi-Fi module included. This enables you to switch settings via your mobile phone. It can also be configured via the flight controller, and I'll explain how to do that in a different video. There is a manual included as well as a bag of parts with nylon screws, camera mounts, a cover that prevents the SD card from dropping out and giving the camera PDB some protection, some cables. The camera itself weighs about 24 grams, including the camera PDB. The bag of goodies weighs about 20 grams, but we don't need all of that. So here are the nylon screws with 3 grams. There is a soft mount for the PDB, which is very nice. The cover and the camera mount with the cables also get about 7 grams, with a different camera mount about 6 grams. I will use the Runcam Split V2 in a build video, so stay tuned for that.